So what's up guys, welcome to my channel. This is JB23 Vlog. So for today's video guys, I would like to share some technique on how to soften or how to repair the frozen wheel of the hatch cover guys. So this wheel is frozen guys, so we try some technique on how to soften it. I am sharing this to you guys since this is effective technique on how to soften the frozen wheel. So first of all, we heat up the Allen bolts to remove the cover of this wheel so that we can heat up from the inside of the bushing and the wheel side. So now we're removing the cover, and we also remove the nipple, the greasing point. So that's the spacer. We have to remove also the spacer guys so that we can heat up the bushing and the wheel. So that's the spacer and the cover. Just clean properly to remove the old grease. And so this wheel is frozen for months, so we need to reactivate it so we can put this wheel into operation during the opening and closing of the hatch cover. Otherwise it will damage the railway if this creating some friction and having some weight of the hatch cover. It will damage the railway of the wheel. So to prevent further damage guys, we need to reactivate the wheel into operation. So this is how we soften the frozen wheel. We heat up the acetylene gas. All this part of the bushing, all around bushing, and from inside of that hole you have to be careful when heating guys, just enough not to damage the thread. So fast forward, we welding some metal piece so that we can have something that to punch on. As you can see guys, it's already moving. The frozen wheel is already moving. You have to hit some hammer guys from sideways, vice versa guys, so that it will soften and it will move until we can move it by hand. So just like that guys, you have to weld some metal piece on that side so there is something that we can touch so that we can move it easily. So that's how we soften the frozen wheel. Once we soften this, we have to clean all the parts and grease, and we put the spacer. Once we put the spacer, we need also to lubricate and put some grease, and we will keep on maintaining this. This is very important. This wheel is very important for operation, cargo operation. Must be activated guys. So as you can see, we put the grease through the grease gun, and we have to change the old grease. We have to remove that old grease by pressing the grease gun, and so we can remove that old grease. Once we remove the old grease, we have to confirm that, as you can see guys, it's already turning by hand. So that frozen wheel is already turning by hand. We can turn it by hand. we need to remove that old grease and to confirm that new grease is coming out. And from that point on, we need to maintain this routine, this maintenance of our hatch cover wheel in order to avoid some further damages on our railway days. This hatch cover wheel must be operated and rolling smoothly, guys. So all holes must be lubricated, put grease, and now we put back the spacer. So the spacer also must be lubricated, guys. This is the stopper of that cover, guys. So now we are putting back and just tight fully, and we need to be sure that it is moving by hand. It can be moved by hand, guys. So that's how we successfully soften that frozen wheel. So from that point on, we must grease it regularly and clean all the rust, and we have to avoid painting that grease gun, otherwise it can be ignored that that is the grease gun. So I hope you learned something from this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.